Giliana to number 2 to Gonzalez. 2 points by number 7. Back on to Gonzalez. Gonzalez takma madali. Pass to Giliana. 2 points by Giliana. By John. To Carion. Gonzalez pass to Giliana. Giliana to Gonzalez to Magno. Magno tumira na 3. 3 points by Toy. Sorry, ito na sir. 2 points by Gonzalez to Aton. 2 points na by Aton. My kasama pa. Trying to set him up to pass by Con. Nagmamadali si Aton lumabas sa Aton. My wow! Paira and Jansen. Carion. Giving the ball. Time to shoot. Carion. Pass to Cervantes. Pass by Gonzalez. Pass to Magno Tamira ng 3. Gonzalez. To Tito into Gonzalez, to Giliana, to Gonzalez again. Gonzalez, doing the ball pass to Magno, to Mira Tres again. Back to back. And Anthony Mingita. And to our treasurer. Kalian, why nagulala ka na ng bola to Gonzalez to Iga. 2 points by Iga. Gonzalez, pass to Shakan. Nangyayari mga masahan ko ang Agilion. Time to shoot. Agilion, pass to Mikaloob. Libre. 2 points by Miko. Ikaw at kabitaw na steal by kabitaw kabitaw. Nagiging naman sa sunod na nakuha rin tayo sa radyo. Pass to Ditoy. 2 points by Dito. So Gonzalez to Dito to Igot. Pick by Igot to 2 points by Agilion. Pass to Carion to Agilion again. Agilion, jump shot by Agilion, 2 points by Agilion. Giving go kang Radyo, tumira na dos, may kasamang foul. First team foul. First round. 2. Jaon, 2 points by Jaon. Radyo tayo na may tasulungan na kasama yung pasa na Jaon. Jaon na mabalik. 2 points by Agilion. Tumira ng press. Wala lang yun sa mga naman ng 6. 2 points by Duterte. Igor tumira ng pass to Gonzalez. Tulungs up. Wala yung press by Jaon, tumira ng tres. Jaon, nagulong si Jaon. Grabe! Ayun pa! Kaya, talagang ka ng rega. 2 points. Number 8, tumira ng tres. 3 points. Carion, pass to Kabuntog, mabang basahan. Pass to Carion. Carion, tapong chika, tumira ng 3 again.